I'd like to thank AAOBOSI for sponsoring this video. AAOBOSI is a portable range hood, desktop range hood with a large caliber, 3-speed kitchen exhaust fan, low noise, oil collection cup, 10 times air and oil filters, portable kitchen hood for indoor and outdoor and RV. It has 3 adjustable speeds, high, medium, and low, and also it's very easy to clean. It comes with a detachable oil cup, cleaning oil cups, and a wiping portable range hood. You guys, I was so excited when I got this in the mail. I couldn't wait to open it up. So I decided to open it up with you guys. I'm about to show you guys how quiet it is, but how powerful it is also. I'm going to show you all the different speeds. Right now, it's on a low speed. And now medium. And now high. Okay, you guys, you can't see the smoke right now because there's really no smoke going. But the smell, there's no smell in my house when I'm cooking fish. It's pulling the fragrance out of the air. And another thing, even though there's not that much smoke, when you fry stuff in grease, it usually splatters on the counter. And I just touched my counter, and I guess it's pulling the grease. Ooh, okay. I can feel the heat from this going in here, and it's pulling whatever would have splattered on the counter in there. Okay, this is my second batch of fish, you guys. And okay, now you can kind of see it pulling, yeah, the grease or the smoke away. And again, the counter's not greasy, so it's also pulling the oil away, and the house doesn't smell. We got seafood here. We got seafood right here, and the house doesn't smell like seafood at all. And now you can see the vent pulling the smoke. And love it, just love it. Hey, now I can fry more stuff now.